Okay, at the Chain of Rocks Canal, I got the White Wing northbound. Haven't seen that one before. It's a light boat. And anyway, we get this thing on the road here. Thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe.
You're being recorded. See that drone in front of me?
Oh, I got you.
Been following me for about a mile. I guess it's your turn.
Oh, there you go. All right.
All right, guys, I just thought I'd try to show you better where I'm at here. Let's see here if I can point to it. Over here is the canal, Mississippi River, and there's the old Chain of Rocks Bridge. You can see that's the old Route 66, and then the new one, and also the Chain of Rocks. You can almost see the rapids right there. It depends on how high the river is, how well it shows up. But I turned on satellite maps on my boat beacon so you can better tell where I'm at. Come on, focus. Anyway, I'm at the Chain of Rocks, the old Chain of Rocks Bridge, Route 66, and Highway 270, they call it now. And the damn clouds are just eating me up here. Wanted to get some better views of the Chain of Rocks, and the damn clouds just will not get out. But there's the old Route 66 bridge. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're at. I am at the old Route 66, otherwise known as Chain of Rocks Bridge, where the water intake towers here. I'm on the Illinois side, and you can hear the water. It's hard to do this justice when you're here in person and see this. The river came up a little bit. We've had a little bit of rain over the last few days, but yeah, this is kind of crazy. So much power. Just listen to it. Mississippi River rapids flowing over the Chain of Rocks. Behind me, about a half mile to a mile, is the Chain of Rocks Canal. And as you can see, that's why it exists, because of this. I believe there was a limestone shelf here naturally. They may have put rocks here to kind of maintain the navigation channel in the canal, try to keep the river high, but there was a natural barrier here to begin with, as far as my understanding is why the canal exists to begin with. But those are water intake towers, and across the river there you can see it's St. Louis County or St. Louis City water. I don't even know if they're still in use. I don't think the pumps are inside, but the intakes may be.